Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Shine. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video we'll start with exercise 4a from chapter Linear Inequations. So starting with question number 1. State true or false. First part, x is less than minus y, which implies minus x is greater than y. ये arrow sign जो है, that is, it means implies. Okay, so maths में we use this arrow sign for implication, implies. So this what it means is अगर ये true है then ये भी true होना चाहिए. Okay, this arrow sign means that कि अगर ये true है तो ये भी true होना चाहिए. So let's see if this statement is true. ये true है तो क्या ये true है? Let us see. X less than minus y बोला है. So over here the signs are changing. Minus x हो जाएगा ये and ये plus y हो जाएगा. So what will happen to the inequality sign? It will change. Less than है so it will become greater than. Reverse हो जाएगा. So this is true. We have learnt this. Okay, rules में आता है. So if you are changing the signs on both the sides, what will happen to the inequality sign? It will reverse. Reverse हो जाएगा. So this implication is true. Okay. If you're changing the signs, then the inequality sign will reverse. So this is true. So you'll write this down and after this, you'll write down true. Okay. Second one, minus 5x is greater than or equal to 15 implies x is greater than or equal to minus 3. So let us solve this. ये true है तो ये भी true होगा. Okay. So let's see ये पूरा statement true है या false है. So minus 5x is greater than or equal to 15. So I can say 5x is less than or equal to minus 15. I am changing the signs. So when I change the signs, minus को plus किया, plus को minus किया, then this inequality sign will reverse. Reverse हो जाएगा, है ना? So x is less than or equal to minus 15 by 5. So x is less than or equal to minus 3. This ये मिल रहा है. And here we are given x is greater than or equal to minus 3. Whereas here we are getting x is less than or equal to minus 3. So this is false. Okay, false मिल रहा है. Because ये answer नहीं हो रहा है. Answer should be this. So this is false. Okay. Third part, you can easily identify. यहाँ पे ही sign change कर दिया है. So when you are changing the sign, automatically this will reverse. Okay. ये x positive हो गया, यहाँ पे number negative हो गया, so automatically the sign should reverse. Okay. So ये यहीं पे you can say that this is false. So still it is better that you solve and then write down true or false. Third part, 2x is less than or equal to minus 7 implies 2x upon minus 4 is greater than or equal to minus 7 by minus 4. So ये दिया हुआ है, this is given and this implies this. Let's see if this is true or not. We are dividing by minus 4 on both the sides. So minus 4 से divide कर रहे हैं. Now whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, what will happen? The sign will reverse. Inequality sign will reverse. So less than था यहाँ पे. When you are dividing by negative number, positive होता तो reverse नहीं होता. But you are dividing by negative number, then this inequality sign will reverse. So this is true. When you are dividing by negative number, this inequality sign is reversing. So this should reverse. Okay, so this is true. Fourth one, 7 is greater than 5 implies 1 upon 7 is less than 1 upon 5. Again, we have learned this in rule part. So when you are taking reciprocal, okay, you are given this inequality, 7 is greater than 5. When you are taking reciprocal, तो क्या हो जाता है? 1 upon 7, 1 upon 5, दोनों का reciprocal. what will happen to inequality sign? Reverse हो जाएगा. Okay, so greater than है, it will become less than. So this is what we are given. It's true. Okay, so again over here, true. All right. So it's better that you do the working and then write down true or false. Okay. Next question, question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. First part, if A is less than B, then A minus C is less than B minus C. A is less than B and you are subtracting C, some number C on both the sides. Okay. So if you are subtracting same number on both the sides, will this inequality sign change? No, it will not change. Okay, let us consider one example. 1 less than 2. A की जगह पे मैंने 1 ले लिया है, B की जगह पे 2. Okay, so 1 is less than 2. If I am subtracting 3 from both the sides, this will not change. Inequality sign will not change क्योंकि मैं same number subtract कर रही हूँ from both the sides. So 1 minus 3 will be minus 2 and 2 minus 3 will be minus 1. And we know minus 2 is less than minus 1. This is more negative, this is less negative, है ना? So negative numbers में opposite होता है. So minus 2 will be less than minus 1. So this is true, this holds true. So therefore if A is less than B, then A minus C is less than B minus C because we are subtracting same number on both the sides. Okay? So inequality sign will not change. So ये true है. Second part, if A is greater than B, then A plus C is greater than B plus C. Same logic again. Okay. So A की जगह पे let us consider 5 and B की जगह पे 4. So 5 is greater than 4. And if you are adding some number on both the sides, so let's say we are adding 1 on both the sides, this will of course remain greater than this because we are adding the same number on both the sides. So this was greater, तो यही greater रहेगा, ठीक है? ये greater था तो ये भी greater ही रहेगा. So 6 is greater than 5. So this again is true. Whenever you are adding the same number, same sign on both the sides, then of course जो भी greater होगा वो greater ही रहेगा and जो smaller था वो smaller रहेगा. So this is again true. Third one, if A is less than B, then AC is greater than BC. A is less than B. So you are multiplying by C on both the sides. Now over here no negative sign is put. ठीक है, कोई negative sign नहीं है. So I am assuming C to be positive number. Okay, यहाँ पे they have mentioned A, B, C, D are real numbers. So real numbers में it can be negative, positive, decimal, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Okay, but over here the sign is not given. Okay, positive sign ही दिया हुआ है. So we'll assume C to be positive only. Okay, and C is of course not equal to 0. कोई भी केस में C को हम लोग 0 नहीं consider कर रहे हैं. Okay, it is some positive number or some negative number. So third case में A is less than B and you are multiplying by some number, positive number C on both the sides because negative sign नहीं दिया है. So we are assuming C to be positive number. Whenever you multiply by positive number on both the sides, will inequality sign change? क्या change होगा? No, it will not change. Let us consider one example. So A is less than B है. So 1 less than 2 again we'll consider. Okay. Now you are multiplying by 3 on both the sides. Let's take 3. So C की जगह पे 3 ले रहे हैं. 1 into 3 will be 3 and 2 into 3 6. So yes, when you are multiplying by a positive number, inequality sign same ही रहेगा, it will not reverse. But if I am multiplying by negative number, if I am multiplying by minus 3, then the sign will reverse because ये हो जाएगा minus 3 and ये हो जाएगा minus 6. Which one will be greater? Minus 3 will be greater than minus 6. Minus 6 is more negative, this is less negative. Okay, so sign will reverse when you multiply by negative number. But here साइन नहीं दिया हुआ है, नेगेटिव साइन नहीं दिया हुआ है, सो वी आर कंसिडरिंग दिस टू बी पॉजिटिव नंबर. सो over here will the inequality sign change if you are multiplying by positive number? Less than है तो greater than हो जाएगा क्या? No, it is false. Okay, AC will be less than BC because C we are considering to be positive. Fourth one, if A is greater than B, then A upon C is less than B upon C. Again same logic. A is greater than B. So let's say that 5 and 4 consider करते हैं, A की जगह पे 5, B की जगह पे 4. So 5 is greater than 4. We are dividing by C. Again C will consider to be positive number because यहाँ पे minus कुछ भी नहीं दिया है. So if you are dividing by positive number on both the sides, what will happen? Let us divide by 3. ठीक है. So 5 by 3, 4 by 3. Of course this will be greater than this. किसका न्यूमरेटर ज़्यादा है? इसका न्यूमरेटर ज़्यादा है, इसका कम है. So of course जिसका न्यूमरेटर ज़्यादा होगा वही वाला ग्रेटर नंबर होगा because डिनोमिनेटर तो दोनों में सेम है ना. डिनोमिनेटर सेम होगा तो ही हम लोग न्यूमरेटर्स को कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. So 5 by 3 will have greater value than 4 by 3. Okay. So here they have given us if A is greater than B and you are dividing by same number, inequality sign change हो रहा है. Should it change? No, it should not change. है ना? Because you are dividing by positive number. If you are dividing by negative number, तो sign reverse हो जाता है. Then it will reverse. Okay? Because this will be more negative, this will be less negative. ओके, ग्रेटर नंबर मिलेगा यहाँ पे, लेकिन ग्रेटर नंबर मोर नेगेटिव होगा एंड ये वाला लेस नेगेटिव होगा. सो दिस विल बी ग्रेटर देन दिस. सो दिस अगेन इज फॉल्स बिकॉज सी वी आर कंसिडरिंग टू बी पॉजिटिव. सो ए अपॉन सी इज ग्रेटर देन बी अपॉन सी. रीजन ये होगा. फिफ्थ वन, इफ a minus c is greater than b minus d, then a plus d is greater than b plus c. So let's solve this. Question लिखते हैं first. A minus C is greater than B minus D. And they have told this. Okay. It should imply that A plus D is greater than B plus C. Now, A के साथ D को group किया है. So if I shift D over here, it will become positive. Minus D है, plus D हो जाएगा when you shift over here. The signs will change when you shift the terms on the opposite side. We have learned this in rules वाला part. So minus d को यहाँ पे shift करेंगे तो plus d हो जाएगा. And b के साथ c को group किया है. So minus c को जब shift करेंगे it will become plus c. What about this sign? This will remain as it is only. ये as it is ही रहेगा. Because we are not changing any signs. We are just shifting the terms. Terms को सिर्फ shift कर रहे हैं. सो शिफ्टिंग में साइन चेंज होगा लेकिन इनइक्वालिटी साइन तो एज इट इज रहेगा. इट विल रिमेन एज इट इज. सो a plus d is greater than b plus c. This is what we are getting and this is what they have given. So this implies this, therefore it is true because we are getting that. So this is true. Okay. Sixth one, if a is less than b and c is greater than 0, then a minus c is greater than b minus c. A is less than B and C is greater than 0, that is C is a positive number. Okay, C को positive consider किया है. Then A minus C is greater than B minus C. By now you should know the answer students. बहुत easy है ये अब. A less than B है. Okay. So let us consider 1 less than 2. Okay, we know 1 is less than 2. A की जगह पे 1 लिया है, B की जगह पे 2 लिया है. And you are subtracting some positive number on both the sides. So if you are subtracting, यही consider कर लेते, 3 subtract कर रहे हैं. So will the inequality sign change? It will not change. यहाँ पे A is less than B, जैसे ही subtract किया sign is reversing. Sign is reversing. Less than था greater than हो गया. So is it true? No, it is not true. If I subtract 5 on both the sides, some positive number we are subtracting. सो दिस विल स्टिल रिमेन सेम, लेस देन ही होगा, बिकॉज 1 minus 5 is -4 and 2 minus 5 is -3. Of course -3 is greater than -4. This is less negative, this is more negative. So ये less होगा and ये more होगा. -3 is greater than -4. So this will be false again. Sign will not reverse when you are subtracting the same number on both the sides. Okay, even if you are subtracting negative number, still it will not change the sign. Okay, अगर हम लोग सेम मतलब -5 होता तो माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाता है ना. 1 minus -5, so 1 plus 5, and 2 minus -5, so that is 2 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6 and 2 plus 5 is 7. Still the sign will not reverse, है ना. Still the sign will remain as it is. So whenever you are subtracting, be it negative or positive number, on both the sides, subtract कर रहे हैं या add कर रहे हैं, तो sign change नहीं होगा. Multiplication division में होता है. When you multiply or divide by a negative number, sign will reverse. Inequality sign will reverse. Okay, so just write down the answers, and यहाँ पे false के लिए you can give the reason. A minus C will be less than B minus C. Okay. Moving on to next question. Question number 3. If x belongs to n, find the solution set of n equations. First one, 5x plus 3 is less than or equal to 2x plus 18. Second question, 3x minus 2 is less than 19 minus 4x. X belongs to the set of natural numbers. So रिप्लेसमेंट सेट हो गया यहाँ पे नेचुरल नंबर्स का सेट. नेचुरल नंबर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 1. ओके, सो 1 2 3 4 5 एंड सो ऑन इनफाइनाइट तक. सो लेट अस सॉल्व दिस फर्स्ट. लेट अस सी व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप, 2x को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे. सो 5x एज इट इज, 2x विल बिकम नेगेटिव. यू आर शिफ्टिंग ऑन द अदर साइड. दिस इनइक्वालिटी साइन एज इट इज रहेगा. 18 एज इट इज, 3 को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं. जस्ट हाउ वी सॉल्व इक्वेशन वैसे ही कर रहे हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे. ओके, सो फार नो चेंजेस. सो वी आर जस्ट शिफ्टिंग द टर्म्स. 5x माइनस 2x, 3x हो जाएगा. लेस देन और इक्वल टू 18 माइनस 3 इज 15. सो x इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 15 by 3. So x is less than or equal to 5. Okay, so this is what we are getting. X is less than or equal to 5 and x belongs to the set of natural numbers. So we'll write down over here replacement set is natural numbers का set. Okay, so it starts from 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so on. So which all numbers are possible? X के लिए solution set क्या होगा? What will be the solution set? We need to find out. One will come, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 भी include होगा because x is less than 5 or equal to 5. So 1 2 3 4 all are less than 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5 will also be included because x is equal to 5 also दिया है. Less than or equal to up to 5. So solution set for x will be 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, you will write it in curly brackets. Now we'll move on to the second question. So 3x minus 2 is less than 19 minus 4x. Again same thing. Okay, we'll shift the terms first. X we'll group together and numbers together. So this implies 3x plus 4x हो जाएगा. Shifting on the other side is less than 19 minus 2 will become plus 2. So 3x plus 4x 7x and 19 plus 2 21. So x is less than 21 upon 7. So x is less than 3. Okay. Set है natural numbers का set. So write down replacement set is n. So solution set क्या होगा? Less than 3. Natural numbers less than 3. So 1, 2 and 3 will not be included because it is less than 3. Equal to नहीं है. So 1 will come, 2 and then this is it. So solution set में we have 1, 2. Okay. Let's read the next question. Question number 4. If the replacement set is the set of whole numbers, solve first part x plus 7 less than or equal to 11. We'll start with the first part. There are 6 parts of the question. So very easy in equations. बहुत easy है. First one है x plus 7 is less than or equal to 11. We have to find the solution set. x का solution set क्या होगा? Okay. So let us solve this first. So shifting 7 over here. So क्या हो जाएगा? 11 minus 7. Sign will change. 11 minus 7 is 4. So x is less than or equal to 4. Okay. We got the condition. 4 हो सकता है, 4 से less हो सकता है. Okay. So replacement set क्या है? What is the replacement set over here? Set of whole numbers is the replacement set. So write down replacement set is W. So we'll just write down the set over here. सबके लिए whole numbers is the replacement set. So we'll just write down whole numbers का set क्या होता है? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. है ना? So 0 से start होता है. x is less than 4 और equal to 4. So 4 भी होगा and 4 से less वाला values भी होगा. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the solution set. Zero, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Very easy. Okay. Now moving on to the next part. Second question. 3x minus 1 is greater than 8. Again we'll solve this first. So minus 1 को shift करेंगे, it will become plus 1. So 3x is greater than 8 plus 1, that is 3x is greater than 9. So x is greater than 9 by 3. So x is greater than 3. 3 3 is 9 हो जाएगा. So x is greater than 3. 3 भी नहीं है, greater than 3. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3 ये सारे values नहीं हो सकते x के. Greater than 3, that is 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on infinite तक. So x can be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. So write down before that replacement set is whole numbers. So solution set क्या होगा? It will be 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Put dot dot dot. So write down the whole numbers का set side में. Okay. For reference, it will become easy for you. All right. Now moving on to the next part of the question. Third question. 8 minus x is greater than 5. So shifting 8 over here. Minus x is greater than 5. Minus 8 हो जाएगा. Sign will change. So minus x is greater than 5 minus 8 is minus 3. I need value of x, not minus x. So minus को हम लोग change कर देंगे to positive. When you change the sign on one side, you will change the sign on the other side also. Of course. So minus x हो जाएगा plus x and minus 3 will become plus 3. Whatever is the sign, you will change. Okay. Minus को plus, plus को minus. So both are negative, both will become positive. When you are changing the sign on both the sides, what happens to this inequality sign? Reverses. So be careful with this. Okay. So x will be less than 3. Okay. Replacement set is whole numbers का set. So write down replacement set is W. So solution set क्या हो जाएगा? X is less than 3. So 3 से less वाला values 0, 1, 2. 3 is not included also. Less than 3, 0, 1, 2. So write down 0, 1 and 2. Okay. Fourth part, 7 minus 3x is greater than or equal to minus half. We'll shift 7 over here. So minus 3x is greater than or equal to minus half be as it is. 7 will become negative. So we'll take LCM in RHS. So minus half and minus 7 into 2 upon 1 into 2 हो जाएगा, है ना, taking LCM. So we'll get minus 3x is greater than or equal to minus half minus 14 upon 2. Now the denominators are same, so we can take common denominator 2, minus 1 minus 14. LHS as it is. Okay. So minus 3x is greater than or equal to minus 1 minus 14 gives minus 15. Okay. Upon 2. Shifting 3 over here. Okay. So you can shift only 3 over here. Minus 3 को shift नहीं करेंगे. Only 3 over here. और before that यहाँ पे minus है. So minus को plus कर देते हैं. Okay. That is you will change the signs on both the sides. दोनों side पे signs change करेंगे. पहले वही कर लेते हैं. It will become easier. Okay. So changing the sign on both the sides, what will happen? Inequality sign का reverse हो जाएगा. Okay. Direction will change. So greater than or equal to है, less than or equal to हो जाएगा. Okay. So first we'll change the sign. So minus 3x will become plus 3x and minus 15 by 2 will become plus 15 by 2. So whatever is the sign, change हो जाएगा. So 3x is less than or equal to 15 by 2. Okay. Now we'll shift 3. Easy हो गया. So x is less than or equal to 15 by 2 into 3. 3 5s are. Okay. So x is less than or equal to 5 by 2. What is 5 by 2? It is 2.5. Okay. So less than or equal to 2.5. All right. Now x is less than or equal to 2.5 and replacement set क्या है? Whole numbers. So write down replacement set is W. So solution set क्या होगा? Very easy. X will be less than 2.5 or equal to 2.5. So 2 तक हम लोग कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. Less than 2.5 is all this. ये भी आएगा, ये भी आएगा, ये भी आएगा. But it cannot be greater than 2.5. So it can be equal to 2.5. But 2.5 इसमें है क्या? नहीं है. It is not there. So 0, 1, 2 will be included. 3 will not come. Okay. So 0, 1 and 2. Of course, you will not include 2.5 because 2.5 does not belong to the set of whole numbers. Okay. यहाँ पे 2.5 है क्या? It is not there. Okay. So 2.5 you will not include over here. All right. So 0, 1 and 2 is the solution set. Question number 5. X minus 3 by 2 is less than 3 by 2 minus x. So what we will do? X we'll group together. So ये x को यहाँ पे shift कर दे. 3 by 2 will shift over here. Okay. So x as it is, ये यहाँ पे shift करेंगे. So plus x is less than 3 by 2 as it is. This 3 by 2 will shift over here. So plus 3 by 2 हो जाएगा. Okay, signs will change when you shift the terms. X plus x gives 2x is less than 3 plus 3 by 2 हो जाएगा. Taking common denominator. Okay. So 2x is less than 3 plus 3 gives 6 upon 2. So 2 3s are. Okay. So 2x is less than 3. That is x is less than 3 by 2. अगेन वी आर गेटिंग डेसिमल वैल्यू. ओके, फ्रैक्शन को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. सो x इज लेस दैन 1.5. 3/2 इज 1.5. सो दिस implies x is less than 1.5. सो 1.5 से लेस वाला वैल्यू चूज करना है. इज 1.5 ओवर देयर? यहाँ पे नहीं है. सो 1.5 से लेस वाला वैल्यूज कौन सा होगा? 0 होगा, 1 होगा, 2 तो नहीं आएगा. ओके, सो 0 and 1 is the solution set. But before that you need to write down the replacement set. So replacement set is W. So solution set will be 0 and 1, less than 1.5 का values. Okay, so write this down, and it's better if you write down this whole numbers का set. Okay, it will become easy for you to understand कि solution set क्या होगा. Last part, 18 is less than or equal to 3x minus 2. So over here I'll keep 3x as it is only. 2 को यहाँ पे shift कर लेते हैं. Okay, you can shift 3x over here. 18 को यहाँ पे shift कर लो. You can solve that way also. But I'm keeping 3x as it is. 2 को I am shifting over here. So 18 as it is, 2 will become plus on shifting, and 3x as it is. So 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 is less than or equal to 3x. That is 20 upon 3. 3 को यहाँ पे shift कर देंगे, is less than or equal to x. Okay, now switch the sides. You can switch the sides. तो जैसे ये sides switch करेंगे, this sign will also change. It will reverse. Okay, x is greater than or equal to 20/3, है ना? So you will switch this. So this will also reverse. Okay, x is greater than or equal to 20/3. इसका decimal value find out करना है. So divide 20/3. It's very easy. Okay, 3 6 are 18, 20. 6 6 6 रेकर हो रहा है. 6.666, that is 6.67 approximately value वही हो जाएगा. So greater than or equal to 6.66. So x is greater than or equal to 6.66. And what is the replacement set? Replacement set is the set of whole numbers. So you'll write down replacement set is W, and you're choosing the values from the set of whole numbers. So solution set क्या हो जाएगा? It can be 6.66 or greater than that. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. 6 7. So 6 will also not be included because it is 6.666. So 6 will not be included. उसके बाद next value कौन सा है? 7. Okay, so you cannot write 6.66 also over here because is it there in the set of whole numbers? नहीं है, whole numbers के set में नहीं है. So you cannot write that. 6 भी नहीं आएगा because 6 is less than 6.666. So 6.66 हो सकता है या फिर उससे greater वाला value. Greater वाला value कौन सा आता है? 7 8 9 10 11. So 7 8 9 10 11 and so on infinite तक. Okay.